Welcome to QuizToday. Get ready for an exciting journey through time, history, and nature as we dive into another epic quiz challenge. We've got 60 unique and engaging questions across 8 thrilling rounds, featuring famous landmarks, inventions, iconic vehicles, and so much more. Test your knowledge, challenge your friends, and see who comes out on top as the ultimate quizmaster. Let's jump right in. Good luck. Round 1. Famous landmarks. 1. Can you guess this iconic waterfall? Answer: Niagara Falls. Located on the border between the U.S. and Canada, Niagara Falls is one of the most famous waterfalls in the world. 2. What is the name of this desert structure? Answer: the Pyramids of Giza. These ancient pyramids in Egypt were built as tombs for pharaohs and are among the 7 wonders of the ancient world. 3. Do you recognize this tower in Southeast Asia? Answer: Petronas Towers. Located in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, the Twin Towers were the tallest buildings in the world from 1998 to 2004. 4. What is the name of this historic city square? Answer: Red Square. Red Square is Moscow's most famous square, known for its proximity to landmarks like the Kremlin and St. Basil's Cathedral. 5. Can you name this famous U.S. monument? Answer: the Lincoln Memorial. This iconic Washington, D.C. monument honors President Abraham Lincoln and is a symbol of American history and justice. Round 2. Inventions and innovations. 6. Can you guess this early communication device? Answer: Morse telegraph. Invented by Samuel Morse, the telegraph allowed for long-distance communication using electrical signals. 7. What is this early transportation vehicle? Answer: the steam locomotive. One of the first steam-powered trains, revolutionizing transport in the 19th century. 8. Do you recognize this key invention in photography? Answer: the daguerreotype. An early photographic process developed by Louis Daguerre, widely used in the 19th century. 9. Can you name this early form of air travel? Answer: the Zeppelin. A type of rigid airship used primarily in the early 20th century, known for its massive size. 10. What is this revolutionary home appliance? Answer: the microwave oven. Invented in the 1940s, the microwave transformed food preparation by using electromagnetic radiation to heat food quickly. Round 3. Famous foods and dishes. 11. Can you guess this Italian dish? Answer: pizza. Originating in Naples, Italy, pizza has become a global favorite with endless variations. 12. What is this famous Japanese dish? Answer: sushi. Sushi consists of vinegared rice combined with seafood, vegetables, and sometimes tropical fruits. 13. Do you recognize this French pastry? Answer: croissant. A buttery, flaky pastry associated with France, often enjoyed for breakfast. 14. Can you name this spicy Indian dish? Answer: curry. Curry refers to a variety of dishes originating from India, featuring a complex combination of spices and herbs. 15. What is this popular Mexican food? Answer: tacos. Tacos are a traditional Mexican dish made of small, hand-sized corn or wheat tortillas topped with various fillings. Round 4. Vehicles through history. 16. Do you recognize this iconic British car? Answer: Mini Cooper. The Mini is a small, stylish British car that gained popularity in the 1960s. 17. Can you guess this early aviation vehicle? Answer: the Wright Flyer. The first successful powered aircraft designed and flown by the Wright brothers in 1903. 18. What is the name of this classic American motorcycle? Answer: Harley-Davidson. Founded in 1903, Harley-Davidson is known for producing iconic, heavy motorcycles. 19. Do you know this futuristic electric car? Answer: Tesla Model S. Tesla's Model S is a luxury electric sedan known for its long range and cutting-edge technology. 20. Can you guess this famous sports car? Answer: Ferrari 250 GTO. This 1960s model is one of Ferrari's most iconic and valuable sports cars ever produced. Round 5. Animals and nature. 21. Can you identify this African animal? Answer: giraffe. Known for its long neck, the giraffe is the tallest mammal on Earth, native to African savannas. 22. What is the name of this flightless bird? Answer: penguin. Penguins are flightless birds that are well adapted to life in the water and are primarily found in the southern hemisphere. 23. Do you recognize this dangerous ocean predator? Answer: great white shark. The great white shark is one of the largest predatory fish in the ocean and is known for its fearsome reputation. 24. Can you guess this venomous snake? Answer: king cobra. The king cobra is the world's longest venomous snake, native to forests in Southeast Asia. 25. What is this rare big cat? Answer: snow leopard. Found in the mountains of Central and South Asia, snow leopards are known for their beautiful, thick fur and elusive nature. Round 6. Historical events or artifacts. 26. Can you guess this ancient artifact? Answer: Rosetta Stone. The Rosetta Stone, discovered in Egypt in 1799, helped scholars decipher ancient Egyptian hieroglyphs. 27. What is the name of this historic space mission? Answer: Apollo 11. The Apollo 11 mission was the first to land humans on the moon, with Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin making history in 1969. 28. Do you recognize this medieval weapon? Answer: the longbow. The longbow was a powerful medieval weapon used notably by the English during the 100 Years' War. 29. Can you name this ancient Roman coin? Answer: denarius. The denarius was a silver coin used in the Roman Empire, significant in trade and economy. 30. What is this ancient Mesopotamian tablet called? Answer: the Code of Hammurabi. One of the oldest deciphered writings of significant length, it contains laws written by the Babylonian king Hammurabi. Round 7. Famous landmarks. 31. Can you guess this desert city? Answer: Las Vegas. Known for its vibrant nightlife, casinos, and entertainment, Las Vegas is one of the most visited cities in the world. 32. What is this world-famous French museum? Answer: the Louvre. The Louvre in Paris is the world's largest art museum, home to famous works like the Mona Lisa. 33. Do you recognize this volcano? Answer: Mount Vesuvius. Located near Naples, Italy, Mount Vesuvius famously erupted in AD 79, burying the cities of Pompeii and Herculaneum. 34. Can you name this famous British castle? Answer: Windsor Castle. Windsor Castle is a royal residence and the longest occupied palace in Europe, often used by the British monarchy. 35. What is the name of this famous European square? Answer: Piazza San Marco, St. Mark's Square. Located in Venice, St. Mark's Square is famous for its stunning architecture and historical significance. Round 8. Inventions and innovations. 36. Can you identify this famous type of camera? Answer: Polaroid camera. The Polaroid camera, first introduced in the mid-20th century, became famous for its instant photo development. 37. What is this key advancement in navigation? Answer: the sextant. The sextant is a tool used by navigators to measure the angle between two objects, helping sailors determine their latitude. 38. Do you recognize this early computing device? Answer: ENIAC. ENIAC was one of the earliest electronic general-purpose computers built in the 1940s. 39. Can you guess this important medical breakthrough? Answer: penicillin. Discovered by Alexander Fleming in 1928, penicillin was the first antibiotic revolutionizing medicine. 40. What is this famous space telescope? Answer: the James Webb Space Telescope. Launched in 2021, this telescope is designed to provide unparalleled views of the early universe and distant galaxies. That's it for today's quiz. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with all our latest quizzes. Now, before you go, if you're someone who loves challenging your brain and pushing your mental limits, let me tell you about Genius Wave. It's an innovative new product designed to help boost your cognitive skills and mental agility. You won't just be playing quizzes for fun anymore, you'll be sharpening your mind with every question. Click the link in the description to learn more and see how Genius Wave can help take your brain power to the next level. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next quiz.